Girl Bella.
Hello babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I am opening up a few boxes. I got some things in PR that I thought you might be interested in, so I'm gonna open those up. And one thing that I did purchase that just came, I purchased it when I went to my sorority's national convention back in July, and I just got it today, so I'm going to open that with you all. So without further delay, let's jump into it. Let's see what I got in PR. Okay, so Miss Dream is here with us, so if you hear tinkling about, that is her. I'm going to open the first box up. And I think I know what this is, but I will open it and tell you all about it. I'm using my box cutter for this. This was very heavily taped. So from Patrick Ta, I got their new foundation, which is called Major Skin Hydra Luxe Luminous Skin Perfecting Foundation. That's a mouthful, isn't it, babes? That is a mouthful, but it is in the shade number 22, which is Golden Olive. See? So the brand had asked me what color did I think that I was, and I chose this because I'm, somewhere between a neutral and an olive. I do have a lot of green tones in my skin, green undertones, but I can be a neutral as well. So I figured because I got a little bit of sun that I would probably be the golden olive shade. So that's the one that I picked. I'm going to tell you now, this is very, very luxe. It has the rose gold cube on the top with the initials TP for Patrick Ta. The P is a little bigger and then the T is smaller. This also is in rose gold, like a nice plate rose gold. This is very, very pretty. Give it a 10 out of 10 for packaging. I mean, very, very luxe. Very, very luxe. I believe this retails for $58. So very nice. It has a pump, also in rose gold. Now, I already have foundation on, so I'm not going to put this to the test just yet. We're going to do a trying new makeup and trying this out specifically. So I will keep that ready for that video. Keep this ready for that video. But I did get it in and I'm very happy to have it. Patrick Ta. And it is in shade number 22, Golden Olive. Next up is from my friends at New Beauty. I got another gift from my Freebie Fridays. And let's open up the box. So this is a Dew Bright Serum. It does have vitamin C and vitamin E, I believe, as well. And you can apply this in the morning or in the evening. It's good for all skin types. And yeah, it's supposed to help brighten and give more luminosity to the skin. And it says that the ingredients are vegan, good for the planet, and PETA approved. So we'll talk more about that when we're trying new skincare, which I do owe you babes a trying new skincare that will be coming out very shortly. And I will make sure to include that in my collection when we talk about it. All right, so here is the next thing, and this is from Black Girl Sunscreen. They are introducing a new sunscreen. You all know how much I love Black Girl Sunscreen. And so they went on a Instagram live recently to talk about this new formula, and I jumped on it. They sent me a note saying that they were coming on. I jumped on it, and I actually won one of the sunscreens. So I got the Black Girl Sunscreen for Men. It's the new product. It has broad spectrum SPF 30. It's infused with licorice root and hops extract. It's also water resistant for 80 minutes, just like the Black Girl Sunscreen. And it is a daily moisturizing sunscreen for the face and the body. So this is for men. So my sweetie has a new sunscreen, which is good. Oh, it smells good too. You can even smell it underneath the safety cap. So a little bit about the sunscreen. It is no white residue, same as the Black Girl Sunscreen. It is moisturizing. It is all natural. It's oxybenzoid and paraben free. It's melanin reinforcing, and it dries clear. So that is some of the benefits from this sunscreen. As you all know, I love Black Girl Sunscreen. I use it all the time. I don't have any more right now, but I will be getting more. And now my sweetie has one. So, and I saw in the demos that they were doing that even women can use it. Even though it's formulated for men, women can use it too. So if you don't have a sweetie and you need to pick some up, it's fine to use a black men's sunscreen. The women were using it, the men were using it. It's good for all, but it's cool to have one, especially for men. Okay, now let me open up the final bag, and this is something that I got for myself, as I said, during my sorority's annual convention. She actually sold off of all of these, and I wanted to get one, and she didn't have any to sell, so she made one up especially for me after she finished going to all of the conventions for different sororities. She had 2 more to go to after ours, so I had to wait a little bit for it, but it finally arrived. And okay, I did get a large, and here is what it says on it. I love the plastic that she wrapped it in. It says, Life Member, Alpha Kappa Alpha. So I have a lot of like silver stars. Of course, you know, I'm a silver star 25 years in, but I'm also a life member. So I wanted one that said life member, and I loved the way this looked. It's hand embroidered. It's very soft, and it is beautiful. So I will definitely be rocking this t-shirt. Thank you to my special who made it for me. All right, babes, so that is it. I just had a few things that I had gotten in the mail, and I wanted to share that mail with you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And if you're new and you like what I do, go ahead right now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload, post, or go live. Until we meet again, my babes, you have now been bellified. Take care, and I'll see you back here soon. Bye.